So what I'm gonna have you do, Michelle, go ahead and take a breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. One more, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good.
Oh my god. Whoa. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah.
Can you breathe a little bit easier?
Yeah, I feel taller.
All right, did you feel a little release in
Yeah.
your upper back, mid
Yeah.
back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like all the way down.
What were you experiencing when you came in today? What was the main thing that you said you were feeling?
Headache
Headache.
coming from the neck.
What about the in your upper back, the
Uh,
crawling feeling?
yeah, like feels like a muscle or something crawling under my skin.
Okay, nice.